subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched two new mid-range 5G phones under T-series in China called Vivo T1 and Vivo T1X. Among these two, the Vivo T1 is the higher variant with new design and features. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo T1 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports 20:9 aspect ratio and 91.36% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset paired with Adreno 64012 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T1 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. At the front, it has an 16MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 44W fast charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Origin OS skin on top, and additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.7 by 76.68 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo T1 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,199 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,399 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Blue and Black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from November 1st. So what do you guys think of this Vivo T1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.